Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. Ooh, that's fogging up. It is really hot and humid out here, and I keep it nice and cold in the office, or as cold as I can. Ooh, I might have to clean that off a little bit. 1 second. All right, there we go. We are back with our 2024 Land Cruiser. Hopefully this is not a really long-winded installation video, but I wanted to install these door cut protectors because you get people coming in here with their nails and they just scrape this area when they try to grab for that door. Might be you, might be your spouse, might be your children, might be your friend that you take along with you on a ride every once in a while. Anyways, we're gonna get those covered up. I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks on how to do that. We're gonna have this available in matte black, gloss black, 3D carbon fiber because it's so resilient, and we'll also probably print it in clear stealth with a design kind of like that in it as well. You want to do this installation in 70-degree or higher weather because the vinyl reacts the best to it, the adhesive, how much it stretches, how much it doesn't stretch. But if it is really hot like it is right now, even if it's like 70 and sunny, go ahead and make sure that you're doing this in the shade. I would flip this vehicle around before I tried the other side. Let me go get a tripod and set this up. All right, I'm gonna try to go fast, but not too fast. It is so warm, I'm going to lose my mind. So what we wanna do is use a cleaner that doesn't have wax in it because we don't wanna put any wax in between the vehicle's paint and that vinyl. Clean that off, let it dry. Then you're gonna wanna have your Sticker Fab application fluid. That is the best mixture to use on vinyl. You can also use 1 drop of dish soap per 1 cup of water, or a couple drops of dish soap and then a little bit of water. But this honestly is the best combo. It dries out at a nice rate and then still lets you slide stuff around. If you get water that's just too soapy, you'll be trying to apply it forever. So slip this behind there, and then with this very wet, give it a look and make sure you're pretty even from front to back and from top to bottom. When you're happy with the alignment, start in the middle. Kind of push out to the sides. The way vinyl works is you're putting a 2D material, a flat material, on a 3D surface. This is nice and round. So you're gonna have to get the vinyl to stretch into the corners. And you do that by working your way out from the center. Try to work your way out evenly, or else the vinyl will bunch up. All right, so the way I got that to lay down was I pulled up more of this area and started all over again. I'm gonna hold this edge out so it doesn't touch the paint. It doesn't stick until I'm ready for it to stick. You will get a couple extra ones of these because over time you learn how the vinyl reacts. So you might not get it on the first try, but hopefully with the extra pieces, you're good to go. I think that might be the best technique, is to grab a corner, pull it back, and then press into that corner with your other hand. Then you can kind of stretch it out as you head towards that corner. Looks like I got a hair or a fiber here, like an eyelash. I was able to get it out by peeling all of this back, spraying it, and working it back out. And when you're done, dry it out. Repeat for each door handle. All right, so there you have it. I will probably come back and redo all of these in our little design I was talking to you about up there, the topographic map design, but some door protection installed right there. We will be coming back, and the next thing we're going to protect are these trail door edges. A lot of dealerships install these already, but ours did not. So it just protects you against small paint chips in this area. You'll have all 4 doors covered. For more items like this, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that bell notification icon. And also visit our site at stickerfab.com.